Welcome to Imperial CAD system. In this video we see how to design a bottle in Catia V5. Go to part modeling. First create a body by using a shaft command. For that I go to sketch. The shape of a bottle. For that I take profile like this. We have to use shaft command. Apply some corner at sharp ends. Head of the bottle. I enter radius 50, so diameter will be 100 mm. Give some height to this body. I give some 130 mm. Neck size 25. Height some 30 I give. Total height I entered 200 mm. First take the shape of the bottle. Like I am taking its a half section. At the end also apply some corner. Giving 5 mm. So I have taken sketch like this. Exit workbench. Apply command sharp. Select profile. For axis select this. So we got its shape, a bottle shape. If you want to again modify, then open this, go to sketch, double click on sketch. I want to increase the dia slightly. Height I increased. corners also I slightly increase 20 mm. Still smooth, I'm maintaining. Then on this bottle I want to create a slot. See, I want to make a slot of at its circumference I want to cut a bottle like this in a curvature shape in a spline mode. For that, what I do is I go to surface modeling, generative shape design, I take a plane offset to some height 20 mm. I select this plane, I go to sketch, I create a circle of the size of the bottle. Mm. Then what I do is I select plane perpendicular to the circle. I go to sketch. I use spline. Center, again down. You can also take arc. Now in wireframe toolbar, select combine. I select this spline and also this circle. See, you got one output by using combine option. You got the profile like this. I select that profile, combine, see, curve. If you want to slightly move this output to some more height, double click on this spline, See here. Now see the output. I also increase the plane offset distance of the plane 25, so that the output will be some more or some distance from the base. I hide this profile, arc and also circle, right click, hide. Now see the output what we got. So I want a cut. I want to cut the bottle in the shape with some size. For that I have taken combine option. I have used combine option. See, now in this path, along this curved path, you need to cut with some size. For that, take a plane, so I slightly increased the height. I'm doing small changes over here. Slightly increase the height of the bottle. Now I want to cut along this path. take a plane, normal to curve, select this curve as it is a closed profile, create a point on the curve, go for OK, then sketch, select this plane, I create one circle, then exit, now go for part modeling, part design, select option slot, select profile and path. Now you can see cut in that shape, see here. You can turn and see. So this path, this shape, you can adjust by selecting this sketch, this spline. See, I want still more steep. Then I don't want this much depth inside. Then this circle, you just slightly move circle outside to the end, to its end. Less depth, less material removed along that path. Then I want this type of slots, some more, few more, some 6 to 7 on this body. Then go for rectangular pattern, select this slot, reference element, select middle plane, increase, reference need to be changed, see here like this, 7, and you can also increase the distance between slots, 22 mm I have given. See, apply fillets to its edges, see, two mm radius I am giving. Apply color. To apply a color, right click on part body, define, properties, properties, see like this. Hide these planes, right click on that, hide, right click, hide. See here, to create threads on its head, see we need some 2 or 3 threads here. How to create that? Go for generative shape design, surfacing. There you can see helix option. Select helix. Start point, right click, create point. Select this edge, on curve, keep this in on curve option. Go for OK. Axis, Z axis, right click, you can select axis this one. Reverse direction, increase pitch 8 mm, increase height. Okay. See, you can see helix on the surface. Now go to part design, take a plane, normal to curve, select this curve, select point. See here, we got a plane perpendicular to this curve. Now select this plane, go to sketch, OK, create a circle. It should be less than half of this pitch. I enter 5 mm. Then exit. Go for a command slot now. I use slot, select profile, select center curve. Now the material, see, is removed along that helix curve. But at the start and end, see, this is not a proper finishing. And here also you can see sharp end. See, this is also not proper finishing. So to avoid this, what we need to do is I delete slot, I delete this plane, helix show. Now extend this helix. See, extend this helix at the start and at the end. For that, go to line option. In line option, you have a command called tangent to curve. Curve is this helix. Element to point is this one. Now you can see a line extended tangential to this curve. Go for OK. In the same way, take another line, curve to its start, reverse direction, a line, helix and a line, 2 lines and helix. Make this as a single curve. To make these 3 elements as a single curve, go to generative shape design, join, line, curve, line. Now you can see it becomes a single curve. Go to part, take plane, normal to curve option, select curve, point, start point, select plane, go to sketch, create a circle, mm. Just move this circle. If you want more depth, just move inside. Less depth, just keep that circle outside, slightly outside. Don't coincide this point and this point. Then exit. Now go for slot. Profile and curve. As we have joined this, this acts as a single curve. Now see like this. Helix, you can reduce pitch or increase pitch. Like this. See here, as we have extended a line from the curve, you can see here a tangential cut. Here also a good finishing. Now at the bottom you might have seen some small cuts. Bottle at the base. To create cut, select this plane, go to sketch, I create a profile like this. As we have a less height here, so I've taken a small profile. Exit. I take this sketch in another body, cut, paste that in a body, pad, take some 4 mm or 5 mm. I take 6. Mirror, dropped angle. I give dropped angle to these faces. Neutral face is this one. Outside, it has to open outside. 15 degrees I give. Round, inside should be round, so fillet, last option, tritangent fillet. Select this side faces and front face. we need to remove this as we have taken in a body. So I have added a material. After that we use a Boolean operation. Before that I need these type of cuts at the base around 4 to 5 or 6. Then go for, as we have known, circular pattern. Let it be at current solid. Reference element, z-axis 4, 5, 6, 60 degrees. Let me see. So we got like this. Now go to Boolean operation, remove body with respect to part body. See, cuts like this. You can apply fillet now. Don't give much radius. Okay, 5 mm. Fine. Select these edges also. 5 mm fillet I am giving. Like this cuts at the base. If you want to do any modifications, you have to open this body too. See, first starting from this sketch, I want still more to cut. Then move this. You will get error because fillet we have, fillet will not be adjusted. Okay, 5 mm fillet. Okay, it is adjusted. And dropped angle, I don't want to open wide. In that case, reduce the angle. Like this. Hide this plane. So we have created a bottle with these curved slots on the body and angular slots at the base, thread on top. Then go to shell option, face to remove. You just select this 1 mm thickness. See here, now you got a exact bottle. See. To change color, you just right click on part body, go to properties. You can change to any color. So this is the process to create a bottle with curved slots, like angular slots at the base and the thread. Thank you for watching this video. For more video, subscribe Imperial CAD System.